How to use the Verify remote control for an advanced evaluation. To start, we have 3 separate components that the patient will receive after their procedure. We have the waist belt, the external battery, and the handheld remote. To use the patient handheld remote, you will push the up or down arrow to wake up the remote control screen. It should say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Press and hold the lock in the center of the screen. This will sync the Bluetooth to the little white battery. Once the Bluetooth syncs, you will see a picture of a person with the intensity of the stimulator. You do have the ability to turn the stimulation up using the up arrow or back down using the down arrow. Once your select setting is established, press and hold the lock at the top of the screen to shut the screen back down.